The great thing about this series is you get to go to places where you've never been. Like here in Tinderet, Nandi County, the terrain is amazing. The scenery is breathtaking.
It was beautiful, it was scenic, it's very hilly. We have seen valleys that we've never seen before. Kenya is indeed beautiful and has very beautiful landscapes.
This is the best place to be. This is the best place to come and hike. This is the best place to come and do your tourism destination.
Well, the landscape itself, it's so amazing. Also the tea plantations at the top, they were very beautiful, and the view. Also the waterfall, which was amazing. It was beautiful, it was something else.
The country itself is just amazing. The wildlife, the views, and honestly the people are just absolutely lovely. It's just an incredible place to be.
Kenya, vibrant, fun, friendly, everybody's happy, had a lovely time.